Hello friends, in this video let us understand date difference function. Few may call it as dated if, the way they call sum if or average if. We must call this date diff. The reason is the function is giving you or returning the difference between two date values either in years or months or days. Another interesting thing, when I write this function in Excel, I don't get this function in the drop down, and even I don't get the arguments what I have to supply so that I get value from this function. In case of sum, number 1, number 2, etc. are the arguments. In case of VLOOKUP, lookup value, lookup array, index, column index number, etc. These are the arguments. Normally I supply there, but here what I have to write so that I get value from this function. So for that we need to write this way. Date difference, start date, end date and unit. So now let us start writing this function so that we can understand how we can get value from it. To find number of completed years between these two dates, I can use date difference formula. Date difference, start date and end date, comma. Unit is nothing but year, month or day. So in this case I want to know number of years, so I have to use Y as the indicator. So it is not case sensitive, you can use any Y, either uppercase or lowercase, and number of completed years between these two dates 2. Same way, number of completed months alone. To know that, date difference, start date minus end date, comma, month. So I'll get number of completed months. In the same way, number of completed days, date difference, start date, comma, end date, comma, D. The same result we can achieve with a simple subtraction, end date minus start date. But to get only number of completed months or only number of completed years, we can use date difference formula. We need to know little more about this function. That is, to know number of months between these two dates without considering the year. So without considering year, how many months? For that, date difference, start date, comma, end date, comma. Instead of using single unit, I am using two units, Y and M. So 1 month between January and February. In the same way, without considering year, how many days? So date difference, start date, comma, end date, comma, within quotes Y and D. So the days between January 1st to 20th February are 50 days. So without considering the year, the days are coming here as a result. In the same way, without considering month and year, how many days? For that, date difference, start date, comma, end date. Now the combination is month and date, so 19 days. So 1st to 20th is 19 days without considering month and year. So this way also we can use date difference in an effective way. Hope you like this formula and hope you like this video, and please follow these videos and share these videos, like these videos. Of course, please subscribe to my channel so that you'll get new updates as and when I posted a new video, and keep liking. Thank you.